In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook, whether you're reading emails with small text or simply need a closer look at what's on your screen. Adjusting the zoom level can dramatically improve your Outlook experience. Let's dive right into the process. First, if you're using the Outlook desktop application, you have a couple of options to adjust the zoom level. Start by either creating a new email or selecting an existing one from your inbox. It's important to have an email open because the zoom functions are primarily designed for viewing the content of messages. Once your email is open, one of the quickest and easiest methods to zoom in or out is by using your keyboard and mouse. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and simultaneously scroll your mouse wheel. Scrolling the mouse wheel upwards will increase the zoom level, making the email content appear larger, while scrolling it downwards will reduce the zoom level, allowing you to see more of the email at a glance. This method is incredibly efficient and can be smoothly adjusted to fit your viewing preferences without navigating through menus. But let's say you prefer using on-screen options rather than keyboard shortcuts. Outlook has you covered with an easily accessible zoom button. To find this, direct your attention to the View tab located at the top left corner of your application. Clicking on the View tab will bring up various options related to how you see your mail content and layout. Here, you'll find the Zoom button. When you click on it, a dialog box will appear presenting you with different zoom level options. This feature offers a range of preset percentages, typically from about 10% to 500%, allowing for precise control over how much of the content is visible on your screen. Simply select your desired zoom percentage, opting for a higher percentage if you need the content bigger or a smaller percentage to view more of the email without scrolling. Remember, the zoom adjustments you make are specific to each email, so you'll need to set your preferred zoom level each time you open a different message. This flexibility is particularly useful for those who deal with varied email content. Some messages might be packed with detail, while others are more concise. By mastering these methods, you'll be able to tailor your Outlook viewing experience for maximum comfort and efficiency, whether you're scrutinizing intricate details or just trying to get an overview. Knowing how to zoom in and out effectively can make a world of difference in your day-to-day email management. And that wraps up our tutorial on zooming in and out in Microsoft Outlook. We hope this helps you better control your viewing environment and enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.